We're in the council hall now, former log cabin. Is there anything like this anywhere that you're familiar with, anywhere in Illinois?
No, this was the former Boy Scout troop. The village bought this in 1960 or thereabouts.
50s.
And just added on to it. This was the beginning of the village hall this year.
There's a loft area up behind me.
Yeah, the loft area was 2 bedrooms up there, one up there and one up there. We now use that for storage.
It's not a choir loft?
Who?
No. Not a choir loft.
Not a choir loft? Well, you're a politician. You should be singing to the choir, right?
No, we don't do
We
that.
always sing to the choir. And then we just added a new kitchen on here. You see the kitchen?
It's really quite a cool spot.
It is. It's very, very picturesque. Fits in with what our village is about, which is the outdoors, the environment.
This was just done last year.
From the looks of the size of the council chambers, Bill, it looks like, do you draw a crowd of citizens for?
Only when there's a controversy.
Okay.
And we haven't had too many lately, but
The current one is.
the current one is deer and deer fences, which is something that never seems to go away.
What do you do with deer? Round them up and send them to Highland Park?
No, we don't.
They want to shoot them.
A lot of people would like to see them gone, and a lot of people say we love the deer. So
And we moved here because of them, so that's the controversy.
Do you have a severe deer problem as Highland Park does, for example, where they have something like 7,000, 8,000, 9,000 deer there?
no. We've got we've deer count, but again, it depends on who's counting and when they're counting, because the deer move from Ryerson to Lake County Forest Reserve, and they move through the village, and really it's hard to say where they're really from, and this is really where the problem and controversy comes in. People say, well, we got so many deer in the village, but the next day they're gone, or half of them are gone. If you do 2 counts in 2 days, 2 separate days, the counts are totally different.
What was our last count?
I don't remember.
Yeah.
More than a few.
Yeah.
Not a terrible number.
Not a terrible number. We're still down less than 20 per square mile, which is the recommended maximum per square mile to have the flora, fauna, the flora growing properly. But there's a controversy in that too, because they say, well, it moves and we got too many in our neighborhood. They see 6 or 7 deer in their neighborhood, and all of a sudden they're concentrated. So this is a problem, but this is
it's really how much a person can tolerate or is willing to tolerate. We live off of Ryerson Conservation Area. Some days we can have 10 or 12 deer in our yard. I happen to like the deer, so it doesn't bother me. I just don't plant a lot of things that they might eat. And I can live in harmony with them. The people who want fancy flowers and beautiful gardens,
and tulips,
and
yews,
and roses, they are not going to be happy, with deer. And I think that's really what it's about. It's about, can you live with the environment? Or
One of my questions is, why would you move to Riverwoods if you didn't want to have deer around? Because it's more a forest preserve than it is a suburb.
That's the question we ask.
that is a question that people who like deer ask.
Because it's all trees, isn't it?
Well, there are some very, very beautiful gardens here, and we'll take you to see some if you like.